Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with JetBrains Fleet for mobile development workflows, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the JetBrains website. In the search bar, type JetBrains Fleet. Click on the official link for JetBrains Fleet. Once on the Fleet page, look for the Get Started button. Click on Get Started to access the registration form. Fill in the required fields, including your name and email address. Create a strong password for your account. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Register button to submit your information. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email inbox and find the confirmation email from JetBrains. Click on the confirmation link in the email. Your JetBrains Fleet account is now activated. Next, download JetBrains Fleet from the official website. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system. Install the software by following the on-screen instructions. Launch JetBrains Fleet once the installation is complete. Sign in using your registered email and password. Now you're ready to start using JetBrains Fleet for mobile development workflows. Explore the integrated tools and features available for streamlined coding. Create your first mobile project to familiarize yourself with the environment. Utilize the documentation and resources provided within the application. As you progress, consider adjusting your settings to optimize your workflow. You're now prepared to enhance your mobile development experience with JetBrains Fleet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.